relax. Okay, we have to do one more time. Second time we do 12. Okay, get ready. Okay, you bend your knee. If you want to straighten your knee, it's okay too. Bend your knee, totally okay. Okay, so right now, hold your mat. Get up 12 times. 1, 2, 3. Relax your head. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, relax. 8 counts. You have to one last group. Maybe you do 14. Okay, make sure the fat on the stomach all gone. Okay, ready? We do one last time. 14. Okay, hold your mat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then you finish. Relax. Right now we're rolling face down. Okay? Okay, right now we will stretch back, okay? So push up your hand and then walk towards you. Make standing tall. Yeah. Hold there. Head up. We stay there for a little. Head up. Head down. Head up. Head down. Head up. Head down. Stay. Hold the moment. Head up. Stay. Okay, feel your lower back. Let it go. Let it go. Don't control. Let it go. Stretch. Stay for a moment. Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so right now, go down, give you a little break. Right now, you hold your one leg and pull forward to you. Stretch your upper leg. Just stay there for a moment. Give you a little break. Stretch. And relax. Right now we do one more time. Push up. Yes. Ready? Push as high as you can. Head up. Head down. Head up. Head down. Head up. Head down. Head up. Stay. Feel your lower back. Let it go. Don't control, don't against it. Stay. Feel it. Almost. Let go. Okay, all the way down. Right now we stretch your leg. Our side leg bent. Hold your leg towards you. Stretch there. Just stay. Don't move. One more moment. Stay. Okay, right now, holding another leg also. Both leg hold. Okay. Ready, everybody? Pulling up. Down. One more, pulling up. Down. One last time, pulling up. And hold. Hold. Stay. Stay. Oh, relax. Release. Thank you. Okay. Okay, let's do the position here. Stretch your back. Just comfortable position, stay. Give it a moment, relax. Just stay there. Okay, so we have one more. Stretch your back. Okay, kneel down up. Right now, we go back. This give a bigger, okay? Ready? Bigger last one, okay? Go back. And up. And go back. And up. Continue. Back. And stay. Don't move. And up. Right now, arm up. Go back. And up. Second time, go back. And up. Last time, hold. Stay. Stay. Right now, arm open. Can you grab your leg? You can open your knee a little. Stay. Hold there. Hold. Keep your knee open a little bit more. It will be easier. Look, my knee is open. Stay. Yes. Give a little open. Okay, right now, elbow relax. Lay down back. Sit on the floor. Sit on the floor. Sit on the floor. And lay back. Okay, stay there. Don't move. Hold it there for a moment. Stay. Don't move. Yes. Good girl. Oh, you do feel the stretch? Okay, up. Okay, up. Oh, yeah. Okay, right now. Everybody down, face down. Okay. Right now we do my back muscle, okay? Just stay like that. Ready? 1, we do 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax. Right now we will do the upper body, okay? Go all the way down. Go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Wait one more time. Relax for a moment. Relax. Get ready. We do the leg, okay? Ready? Up. 1, 2. Almost down, okay? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Okay, relax all the way down. We do one last time upper body, we finish this. Right.